So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about homeostasis. So ensure to stay to the end of this video as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you'll get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. So homeostasis simply refers to maintaining a stable internal environment. Homeostasis is important because your cells need the right environment in order to function properly, including the right conditions for enzyme reaction. So conditions in the body need to be kept steady, even when the external environment changes. So homeostasis is all about maintaining an internal environment in response to changes in both internal and external conditions. So there are lots of autonomic control systems in the body that regulates the internal environment. And this includes both the nervous and hormonal communication system. For example, there are control systems that regulate your body temperature, blood glucose level, and water contents. We'll discuss all these in detail in future videos. So the autonomic control centers are made up of three main components: the receptors, the coordination center, and the effector. And these three components work together to maintain a steady condition. So the autonomic control system keeps the internal environment stable using a mechanism called negative feedback. So here is a graph to illustrate how the negative feedback works. When the level is too high, the receptor detects a stimulus, and then the coordination center receives and processes the information, and then organizes a response. The effector then counteracts the change and tends to restore the optimum level. That is, the level starts to decrease. But then, it will just go on producing the response as long as they are stimulated by the coordinating center. But then, this might cause the level to change too much and become too low. So once it becomes too low, the receptors again will sense that the level is now too low, and then a negative feedback starts again. So guys, here's a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.